Welcome to Jeep Mud Master. Today, we're showcasing one of the most advanced and rugged off-road motorhomes you'll ever see. The 6x6 adventure monster inspired by the iconic GMC Sierra. With an impressive price tag of $250,000, this motorhome is not just a vehicle. It's a mobile base camp ready for extreme off-road expeditions. Whether you're hitting the trails or camping in the wilderness, this motorhome promises to take you wherever your adventure leads. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more incredible off-road journeys with Jeep Mudmaster. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 6x6 motorhome is designed for extreme durability, wrapped in a bold red and white color scheme that gives it a fierce presence. The iron-like body is built to withstand the harshest environments, while the massive all-terrain tires grip any surface with ease. The sleek accents and cutting-edge LED lights provide modern flair, while the high-power light bar on the roof ensures you're never left in the dark. Panoramic tinted windows offer 360-degree views, making every journey an immersive experience. This motorhome is built to turn heads while tackling whatever the wild throws its way. Top view. From the top, this motorhome truly shines. The roof is home to sleek, integrated solar panels that provide sustainable power when you're off-grid. 2 to 3 solar panels soak up the sun's energy, ensuring your adventures never have to rely on external power sources. The compact AC unit towards the rear ensures you stay cool during those hot, dusty off-road drives. And for nighttime adventures, the high-power front-facing light bar delivers unparalleled illumination, allowing you to take on any terrain, day or night, in total comfort and style. It's a powerful, self-sufficient machine that's ready for anything. Back view. Moving to the back, this motorhome is built for both functionality and adventure. At the rear, a rugged spare tire is mounted centrally for easy access, ensuring you're always prepared for any emergency. But that's not all. A heavy-duty cycle carrier securely holds 2 mountain bikes, perfect for those who love exploring trails on 2 wheels. The modern LED taillights shine bright, while a rear ladder provides easy access to the roof for gear storage or maintenance. Integrated storage compartments provide ample space to stash tools, gear, or equipment. With its combination of rugged features, this motorhome is built to withstand whatever adventure comes your way. Side view. From the side, the 6x6 motorhome stands tall, with its massive all-terrain tires and a rugged body designed to take on extreme off-road conditions. The angular, iron-like frame exudes strength, while sleek accents and tinted windows provide an element of sophistication. The tires, designed to conquer any surface, are perfectly complemented by the tough suspension system that absorbs shocks, ensuring a smooth ride no matter how rough the trail gets. This motorhome is ready for action, and its sturdy build guarantees it'll never let you down. Sitting and sleeping area. Step inside and experience the perfect blend of comfort and ruggedness. The sitting and sleeping area is a multifunctional space designed to maximize comfort after a long day on the road. The durable sofa transforms into a full-size bed, offering a restful night's sleep during your adventures. Hidden storage compartments underneath keep your gear neatly stowed away, adding to the room's functionality. Soft LED lighting creates a cozy ambience, while the panoramic windows frame incredible views of the surrounding landscape. Whether you're relaxing after a day of off-roading or getting some rest for tomorrow's journey, this space offers it all. Driving compartment. Now, let's check out the driving compartment. This cockpit is designed to keep you in control no matter the conditions. The high-tech dashboard features a large digital display that provides you with all the essential vehicle data and navigation tools at a glance. Ergonomically designed seats ensure comfort on those long journeys, while the weather-resistant upholstery can handle whatever elements you throw at it. The central console offers access to climate control, off-road settings, and entertainment options, ensuring that you're always in command of both the vehicle and your adventure. Panoramic windows surround the cabin, offering an unobstructed view of the rugged landscapes outside. Kitchen. Next, we have the kitchen. Compact yet fully functional. With a 2-burner stove, you have the ability to cook meals on the go, no matter where the road takes you. Open racks above the stove provide easy access to spices, pots, and cooking essentials, while sleek storage compartments below keep everything organized. The durable, easy-to-clean countertops ensure you're always ready to cook, even after a muddy adventure. This kitchen is designed for off-grid living, offering everything you need to prepare fresh meals in the wilderness, making sure you never have to compromise on food quality during your adventures. Washroom. And of course, a rugged off-road vehicle needs a reliable washroom, and this motorhome delivers just that. The compact washroom is functional, featuring a water-efficient shower head and a durable, easy-to-clean toilet. Despite the small space, it's well organized with sleek storage shelves for your toiletries. The minimalist design doesn't take away from the comfort, offering a refreshing experience after a day of exploration. With rugged materials that match the overall motorhome design, the washroom is built to handle both the elements and your personal needs, providing comfort and convenience wherever you go. Ready for your next off-road adventure? This 6x6 motorhome inspired by GMC Sierra is the ultimate vehicle for exploring the wild. With its powerful off-road capabilities, rugged durability, and premium comfort, it's built to take you anywhere. At a price tag of $250,000, it's more than just a motorhome. It's an off-grid lifestyle on wheels. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at this beast of a motorhome, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Jeep Mudmaster. And leave us a comment telling us where you would take this incredible machine next. Until next time, keep the adventure alive.